Hey, if you guys running LinkedIn lead generation system, so this is the must watch video you need to see. By utilizing this single AI system, I help my clients to book 33 calls in just 8 days. Without getting any delay, let's get into the video. For these clients, we are using Heyreach, but you can use this AI system in any lead generation platform. To be frank, setting up the LinkedIn lead generation system, it's not that much hectic. But follow up the prospects is the most hectic work and it takes a lot of our time because only follow ups can increase your revenue pipeline. Without follow ups, the prospect will vanish every minute. Most of the time, people easily create automation system but they lost the replies. It means they lost the revenue. In this video, I am going to show you how you can optimize the follow ups and increase the revenue by optimizing this AI follow ups. This is how the Heyreach Unibox look like. So right now I'm going to show you how you can respond the replies within a minute without lost them. So for this automation I use Clay. So just log in into a Clay account and create a workbook. I add the name like Heyreach Reply Center, and for this reply center you add a webhook. Click all sources and search for webhook. And just create a webhook. So after you're creating this webhook, you can see you can copy this webhook and come to Heyreach and click the settings and click integrations. Here you can see the webhook. Click connect now and create a webhook. I give it the name called Heyreach all replies, and I paste the webhook from Clay and I add the event type called every message and email reply received and just click create webhook. So right here you can see the webhook was created. So right now the setup is done. Just click this edit and you can see the test webhook. You just click that. Right now you can see the success status is 200, so the webhook was correctly connected. Then you can go to Clay and here you can see the reply received. So you can see all these details in there, like what is the tag and what is the summary and location, the position of the lead and full name, last name and company URL, website URL and all this data as you can see. So this is the test example. So I just all this data like location and full name, last name and all these things. So you can't miss any responses. You can add the profile and the company URL and the email. So whenever you get a response in your Heyreach, you can get this automation. So it will pull all the responses to here. Then you can see you can get also this call the whole conversation ID and the campaigns. So what are the recent messages also they sent. So based on these messages you can create the follow-up also using Clay. I will show that how you can do that in the next video. Right now the main concept of this video is getting all the replies into one hub. So you can manage all your responses from here. Who are the people responses to your LinkedIn messages. Then if you need to push this Clay table to the Google Sheets, you can also do that. For that you can add column and add enrichment and check for add sheets. Once you open that, you can add your account here. Sign in, click sign in with Google and add your account. Once you add your account, you can see the name of the connection. I give it to Heyreach like that. And I am going to open one of my sheets. And give it the name of Heyreach replies. and I going to give the context of this data, like first name, last name, email, company website, LinkedIn URL. For this example, I just give this options only. If you need, you can add whatever you want. For example, location, mobile number, and all this data you can do it by here. So just go to Clay and select a spreadsheet. So the Heyreach replies, and select this one. So then you just go to the settings, then you can see this sheet 1 by refreshing this data, refresh fields. You can see the sheet ID, just add and enter sheet 1, and here you can see the sheet columns. What are the columns you need to add? In the sheet we have first name, last name, email, company website, and LinkedIn URL. We need to match those rows. For example, I need to add first name one here. So in this thing, leave, you can see the full name only, first name here, first name, last name, email, company website, by clicking this lead you can see all this data, and LinkedIn URL of the person. That's it. Then if you click and save and run for one rows, right now is what's queued. You can see this was added successfully. Right now if you go to Google Sheets, you can see all this data like first name, last name, email, company website URL, and LinkedIn URL. So right now you have the database in Clay, and you can push the database also to the Google Sheets. So by utilizing this follow-up system, you can't miss any single lead that was gone from your follow-up. Thank you. Let's see you in the next video. Bye bye.